Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we click on Netflix app and we click here. Sorry, not here, on Netflix app as you see. Then we click for stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache, and then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.